Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gudia and my channel is about health, fitness, diet, personal growth, lifestyle, and trying out new things. So if you're new here, why don't you subscribe and join the family? Also turn on the notification button so you'll see whenever I upload any videos. So today I'm going to be talking about how I film and edit my videos as a tiny small YouTuber with less than 100 subscribers. I mean, you can tell, look at the video, you can tell I'm doing a great job. So why don't you just like, or if you think I'm not doing a good job, dislike it then, like thumbs up then. And so let's just get into the video. So the first thing I do is I think of an idea. I think of what video exactly I want to do. Do I want to do a vlog, or I just want to sit down and talk to people? And then after that, I'll make a research on that particular topic. I'll make a research just to be sure I don't give anyone false information. Make a research, see what other people are doing, and just try and pick up ideas from them too, because it really helps. Try and pick up ideas and then add to the one you already know, and then add to the one you already know. Plan and make a research. Do your research very well before you sit down and talk to people on camera, because you do not know what your viewer would take your information to. People would actually believe what you're saying, so you need to come up with good content. You need to come up with the truth, not false. So make your research very well. Make sure you do a thorough research before coming here, before sitting down to make any video. That being said, after you make your research, what the next thing you want to do is to script, is to plan how you want your video to be about, is to plan how you want it to start, how you want it to end, how you want what you want to be include. You want it to be included in the video. Like I have my paper here. I scripted this when I woke up today, and I just planned. I just planned it on the key points that I want to say. Trust me, it helps a lot. But I'm not saying you need to write out word for word what you need to say, because once you get on the camera to talk, you will get confused. So the best thing to do is, but either way it's fine. You can just write down key points, or if you think you can write out all the words and you're still able to come on camera and still say what you want to say, it's fine. After you've done your research, you've planned your video, the next thing to look out for is your film setup, your shooting setup. As a beginner, I don't have a studio yet. I just use my kitchen as my shooting place, because I feel I just like doing my video in my kitchen. So what you want to do is, wherever it is you're filming, make sure it's free of dirt. Make sure it's clean. Make sure you clear out anything that can bring distraction to your viewer, because trust me, you want them to concentrate on you, not on your background. So be sure you clean your environment very well. Like I did mine. I cleaned it before I started shooting this video. Now the film setup, I do not have a a tripod yet. I use a selfie stick. I don't have a ring light also. I just use a selfie stick, and also take advantage of the sunlight, because this is afternoon. I had to wait till it is afternoon and the sun is up. The natural light is just fantastic. You can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm just using the natural light. There's no ring light here, and I'm actually impressed by the video quality. Now your phone setup. I need to go and get a phone from my friend to show you what it looks like fixed on whatever I'm fixing it. It's on a selfie stick, so I'll go and get a phone, and maybe you should get yourself some ice cream and biscuits, whatever. So just hold on, I'm coming. So I have the phone. I've got, first thing is you need to make sure the light is facing you, like I said. And then for your phone, make sure you're using it this way. It's called landscape, not portrait. Make sure it's this way. Hard for me to film with my back camera, so I just prefer using my front camera. But hey, don't be like me. You can use your back camera if you're comfortable with, but I'm comfortable using my front camera to see exactly what I'm doing, so I don't stress myself and I don't stay too long filming any video. Remember, you're filming a video that you're supposed to be using a professional camera to film. So and you're using your Android phone. So what you want to do is make sure it's faced this way, landscape, not portrait. Make sure it's this way that you're using. Make sure you're using it this way, and then it has to be the back. But like I said, I use my front camera and I'm comfortable with it. As long as I have a good lighting, I'm okay with the front camera. This is what my selfie stick looks like. It is extendable. I'll just extend it this way, and then it has a stand that you can just make it stand anywhere like this. This is it. I don't know precisely how tall this is, but this is how it looks like. This is the situation. I have my selfie stick and my phone. This is what I record my film with. I have my selfie stick, my phone, the Samsung A10, and then I just just pile up things to, because where I'm sitting down is very, very high, so I just tend to look for anywhere that is high. I can actually mount it here sometimes, and then, or I'll just look for a tall chair to put my ring light on, because it's not that tall, and where I'm sitting on is tall. So I bought my selfie stick from Jumia. I think around 2,000 something plus the shipping fee. So you can just go and search on Jumia, type selfie stick or tripod. Just type it, it might come up, and if they still have it, you just get it. And then the next, so if you're looking for a high place to put your phone on, make sure it's not putting a shade on you, or putting darkness, or blocking your light or anything. Just make sure it's light as possible. So the next tip is your audio. You want to make sure there is no noise in the background. You want to make sure your environment is noise free. I have this mic. I don't know if you can see it. I have this mic, though it's connected to my phone, and what I needed was actually a wireless mic, but it does the job well. It does the job fine. I got it on AliExpress for about 600, and it has a free shipping option, so I got it. And though it took 1 month to get to me, but you get what you paid for. Yes, you get what you pay for. So I got it for 600, and then it took 1 month to get to me, and I was comfortable waiting for it, because I'm not ready to spend money yet. Like, I'm just trying to test out what works for me, and then maybe as time goes on, we'll just get to see what else we can get more. So I'll just fix it here. Sometimes I don't even use the ring light, the mic, as long as my environment is noise free. So I don't use the mic, I just use my phone, and it comes out well. So if you don't have money to buy a mic, there's no problem. But just make sure you talk as loud as possible so that people will hear you, and make sure you are in a quiet environment, so there will be no distractions at all. So now that you filmed your video, the next thing to do is editing. I would say to have a knowledge in editing I said have a knowledge, not skill. Have some knowledge of some basic editing. You don't need to be a Hollywood professional editor. You just need to know how to, like, the knowledge I have about editing is just to import, export, cut, just cut the part I don't want, add music, add text. And so to edit a video on my phone, I have this video editor. I'll just open it. You don't need to have an internet connection to get it done. Just click on edit, and I'm just going to insert random clips. Okay, let's click on next. The only thing I can do with this video right here is to just, maybe if I want to add subtitles, I can just bring it back to where exactly I want the subtitles to start from. Let's say I'm writing, I want Clean With Me as a title. Just click OK, and then you can add color. Just play around with the color, and then you click you click on the type of fonts you want, and then just click OK, and then you click the good sign. You have your subtitles already on your video. And then another tool I use here would be the transition, because I wouldn't want there to be a black space between my video. So what I do is I like using the fade transition, and then once you click OK, it will ask you if you're to apply to all clips or you just want that one clip to show, and then you click. I normally use fade to apply to all. Look out for other clips to add that particular transition. You can also record sound here. You just click on it and record what you want to say. You can do a voiceover. Just click on the app here, and then you record what you want and click OK. And then another tool I use here is the music app. Once you click on the music, go to timeline mode. When you go to the time mode, so that you can select precisely where you want that song to start from. Once you click them, click on the plus sign and add music. I have the song, so I'll just add it. Just click on add music, and then just click OK. Click on good, and then once you want to, when you're done with what you're doing with the phone, you can just play with the app, like try other prompts, try other things, and you're good to go. So once you want to export it, click on the icon that looks like a share button. And then one thing is, it has a paid version. I don't use the paid version because go with the free option, and then you export it. It's very, very easy. Like it's so easy to export, very easy to use. I'm not even into a deep editing like that. Like I said, I only use the natural light, that's the sunlight, and I don't add any color. I don't add filter. Anyway, maybe because I don't have serious skills on editing, but I don't add all of those. The only thing I do on my videos is I just record it. Thank God it's bright enough, and I transport it to my editor, and then okay. So now, I'm sorry if you don't have a laptop. I do have a laptop. Like, I'm showing you how to edit on a phone, and then I also use a laptop to edit my videos. So I use this free app called the Shortcut. So this is a video I'm working on. I just import a video, and I'll just cut out what exactly I don't need. Strength, you can see. This is just me cleaning, and then I'll just cut out the parts I don't want. So after you're done filming your video, you've edited your video, the next thing you want to put in mind is your background music, but be sure it's a copyright free music. Do not use any copyright video on YouTube if you don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. That is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for staying till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.